some evidence of that mushrooming of the vapor cloud. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see. Oh yes. See it coming in towards the vents. We have a little breeze. Just trapping that air backwards. And also recycling some of it back into the intake. So there we go. Not a good idea to put this baby right where it is. Okay, we're catching it in the act. And you see that plume is not going up as long as we have a pressing wind against the house. You know, our fire's going out.